If you want to try the short form videos that are bumper ad or the 15-second ad, both of which are not skippable, I've got some scripts for you that can help you. And these are very easy videos to create because they're so short. Let's start with the script for the bumper ad, which is just 6 seconds. You really only have like one sentence. So you want to tell people how to find your product and what the benefit is. In copywriting, which is what we are doing now, this is sales copywriting, we want to explain the benefit. What do people get? Like lose weight, be happier, make money, look better. Something that they really want. So the script would be visit, and then you tell them mywebsite.com or whatever your website is. We help you become happier by, and then you explain how, like maybe by practicing mindfulness or by finding fulfillment or something that would make sense. And basically that's the end of that script. Even though it's only 6 seconds, you're actually able to put 3 pieces of information in there. How they can go to your website or engage with your brand, how you can help them, and a little bit about your differentiation and credibility, where you get to explain in a few words how you help them achieve what they want to achieve. That's it. Now, having seen this, actually the first line of your 15-second ad is essentially almost the same thing. You see, you want to make that very strong first statement very clearly and on point so that people know everything about you right away. Then you might want to add another sentence like visit our website for discounts, for example, because that just makes things more attractive when you have discounts or sales. This line doesn't have to be about discounts all the time, but just make your offer more interesting. Then it's also nice to add some credibility. You can say, we've been in business X number of years, or maybe an example would be, our research is based on this Harvard study, so that people can trust you. And this also makes things interesting. If you can't make things interesting with discounts and sales, you want to make things interesting just by thinking about, well, how do you stand out? What's unique and interesting about you? Did you launch something cool? Is what you're doing revolutionary? Is what you're doing extra helpful? Whatever is the best part about you, lines 2 and 3, this is what you say. And you're almost out of time at that point in this ad. So sentence number 4 is really about getting them to take action. So often marketers do that by creating some kind of urgency or scarcity, saying sale ends soon, so act now. Or maybe supply ends soon or something like that. You don't have to have this, but this typically helps people take action. And of course, you want to edit this according to what your business is and what your product is, what you're promoting. But these are the general scripts you could follow that should be effective. Of course, different niches require slightly different copywriting and different audiences respond to different copywriting. But as a general guide, this is good to follow.